Hello everyone, this is Roger. We are coming from China. The company name is Provence Technology. This year, we bring these new products coming to Europe for the ISE fair show. This is our new product's wooden display. It's interactive smartboard and built-in Android 11 systems. And this product can be used for the home office, education, and companies and government everywhere. And we have default installed the Play Store and Zoom and some of the other applications. It's very easy and smart, and it's very easy to know how to use it. So we are coming from the China FPD factory, we are manufacturing. So thank you for this introducing, and our website is www.provence.com.cn. Our brand name is VIDCOD, VIDCOD. Thank you.